Property and casualty insurance covers everything from homes to cars to businesses. With a pass rate of only 50 to 60%, you need solid preparation. Let me give you the key topics and free access to 180+ practice questions. Homeowners coverage percentages are heavily tested. Coverage B for other structures is 10% of coverage A. Coverage C for personal property is 50%. So, a $400,000 home automatically gets $40,000 for other structures and $200,000 for contents. Know your policy forms. HO3 is the most common, open perils on the dwelling but named perils on contents. HO5 is comprehensive, open perils on both dwelling and contents. This distinction is tested frequently. What is not covered by standard homeowners? Flood damage. This requires separate flood insurance through NFIP or private insurers. Also remember, the vacancy provision reduces coverage after 60 consecutive days vacant. Auto insurance is 25% of your exam. The collision versus comprehensive distinction is tested constantly. Hitting a deer is covered under comprehensive, also called other than collision. Collision covers hitting another vehicle or object. Remember, animals equal comprehensive. About 13% of drivers, or 1 in 8, are uninsured nationally. Medical payments coverage pays regardless of fault. It is first-party coverage with no deductible. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you when an uninsured driver injures you. It steps into their missing liability coverage. Negligence rules trip up many candidates. In pure contributory negligence states, if you are even 1% at fault, you recover nothing. Only 4 states plus DC use this harsh rule. Most states use comparative negligence. No commercial basics. A business owner's policy, or BOP, is designed for small to medium businesses, combining property and liability at lower cost. Workers' compensation is no fault. Employees are covered regardless of who caused the injury. Ready to practice? Get 180+ free property and casualty exam questions with detailed explanations at openexamprep.com. Link in the description. Pass your PNC exam on the first try.